Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's John Boy. Today, in the process of the bag riders, we are going to be doing putting on the actual bags. So lifting the car up, taking off the old struts, and then putting the bags on. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Alrighty, so when getting ready to take off the struts, you need to undo the brake line right here, and then also undo these plastic clips to this line. And then once you are done doing that, then you can start taking off the bolts to the actual struts. I may or may not have continued working on the car and pretty much forget to pick up the camera. I do apologize, but I am going to do pretty much like a rundown of everything that I did do. I got the front and back bags on. I also have the lines running from the bags to the tank. They're not hooked up to the tank yet, but I want to show you guys pretty much what I did when I forgot to pick up the camera. Again, I do apologize, but let's get back into it. So as you can see, I have the bags in. This is on the driver's side, and the passenger side is hooked up as well. If you can see back there, right there, I have the line running through the fender. And then for the rear side, as you can see,
I have it all hooked up. I have the line running through the rear end on the outside, tucked up underneath right there, and then it actually goes through. There's a rubber gasket behind this metal shield right here, and I have it going through the rubber gasket. And then on the inside of the vehicle, I pretty much have all the lines run through the vehicle, and then they're all right here. They aren't hooked up yet to the manifold. I still have to, I'm getting a mount to mount up the manifold on the wood floors. It's like a little stand that's custom welded and everything. I still have to purchase that, but I do have that in mind. But once I get that, then I will hook up all the lines and everything, and then pretty much be good to go. I still have a little bit that I have to do. So yeah, but as of right now, this is what it looks like.
Drip too hard, don't stand too close, you gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, as long as I get paid. Bad little vibe, she been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she can shred. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie get